Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 13th of December, 2024, and we are now ready to offer you an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 5th of November, 2024, our system has ranked QQQ as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 5.48. Now let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this period. The ETF has experienced a gain of 7.79%. This equates to an average return of 0.28% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned in the upper part of a weak rising trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is expected. A breakout above the upper trend line at $531.48 would indicate a stronger rate of increase. Analyzing the current 3-month trend, it suggests a potential change of approximately 9.37% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 4.21% to 9.56%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of about 22.83% over the next year, with a potential return between 9.10% and 26.77%. This translates to a price range of $578.83 to $672.55 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline, QQQ ETF upgraded to strong buy candidate. The QQQ ETF price gained approximately 0.75% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 13th of December, 2024, rising from $526.50 to $530.53. During that trading day, the ETF fluctuated about 1.11%, ranging from a low of $527.30 to a high of $533.17. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by over 4% in the past 2 weeks. Additionally, volume increased on that day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 6 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 27 million shares changed hands for approximately $14.210 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $533.17, while the lowest price was $395.35. Currently, the price is 0.49%, or $2.64, below the 52-week high of $533.17, which also stands as the all-time high for the ETF. The market is buzzing with positive sentiment surrounding QQQ, especially in light of its recent performance. As of mid-December 2024, the Invesco QQQ Trust is positioned within a favorable climate for technology and communication services sectors, which have historically driven growth in exchange-traded funds. Notably, hedge fund billionaires are increasing their stakes in this index fund, drawn by strong performances from key players such as Nvidia and Tesla, part of the so-called Magnificent Seven. This insider buying typically signals robust future growth expectations, which could bolster QQQ's stock price in the short term. Additionally, the Nasdaq composite has crossed the significant 20,000 mark, indicating a healthy rally in technology stocks. The momentum from this upward trend may likely push QQQ higher as investor confidence strengthens. Furthermore, with December historically being a strong month for equities, analysts are optimistic that QQQ could continue to benefit from seasonal trends, encouraging short-term buying. Looking longer term, any regulatory changes regarding technology, influenced by new governmental policies, could reshape the landscape for growth stocks in QQ. Hence, while short-term momentum looks promising, keeping an eye on regulatory developments will be critical for sustained performance. Overall, engagement from institutional investors and favorable market conditions could position QQQ strongly for both immediate and future gains in the growth equity space. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. Today, the chart displays mostly positive signals. The QQQ ETF shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, contributing to a favorable forecast for the ETF. Additionally, a general buy signal is present, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected from the levels at 525.5 and 508. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, November 15, 2024, and so far, the price has increased by approximately 6.84%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical signal. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 20 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy opportunity from 3 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average provides a buy signal from 29 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 21 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 68 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $496.57 and $483.36. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the fund may then fall to the next support level. In this case, QQQ finds support just below today's level at $496.57. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $483.36 and $481.27. This exchange-traded fund is usually traded at a good volume, and with minor daily changes, the risk is considered to be low. During the last day, the fund moved $5.87, which is 1.11% between high and low. For the last week, the fund has had a daily average volatility of 1%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for QQQ, let us briefly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either low expectations for the company's future performance or suggest that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued, presenting a possible buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the ETF could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine the appropriate time to exit. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $496.57. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $501.86, reflecting a decline of 5.4%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits low daily fluctuations, resulting in a reduced risk profile. Additionally, there is a buy signal, indicated by a pivot bottom identified 19 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? QQQ displays several positive signals and is currently in a weak upward trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we consider it a favorable option at these current levels, and we anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. Our analysis has shifted from a buy to a strong buy recommendation for this ETF since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 16th of December, we expect QQQ to open lower by approximately 19 cents, starting at $530.33. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.